A Haag-Streit Academy, EyeSuite, how-to video. Software installation and registration. Software installation. The EyeSuite software installation must be performed by a trained technician. A separate setup manual is available for this purpose. Open the folder with the EyeSuite install executable file, and double-click on it. This will begin the installation. Once the EyeSuite setup wizard opens, select the correct setup language and click Next. Follow the instructions at each step of the setup wizard. If you are updating EyeSuite, please make sure that you have made a backup of the data from the old version. Continue to follow the setup wizard instructions. Shortly after you have clicked on Install, you will need to run the EyeSuite application file. As part of the installation process, old versions of EyeSuite, as well as any associated files and folders, will be removed. Once the EyeSuite setup wizard has completed the installation, click on Finish. When the installation process is finished, click on the EyeSuite desktop icon to open the software. You will then have to perform a database update. Click OK to proceed. The database update may take a few moments. When the database has updated, you will be asked to register EyeSuite. Click on the Please Register Your Product button to proceed. Next, click on Register, and complete the Customer Information section. If appropriate, complete the Distributor Information section too. Click on Continue to proceed. Further information about how to complete the registration process, by fax, email or online, can be found in the Service User Guide 1, Software Installation and Registration PDF.